Okay, so on this video, we're gonna try to do chapter 3 PowerPoint together. So first of all, you open PowerPoint, you have the back screen, backstage view, this backstage view. Then you apply the Wisp theme. So when we have this, we can type Wisp. I will just go to more theme. Let's go to the more theme. Type it right here. Okay, so this is what we're supposed to choose. You type WISP, you have this. So we click, choose this theme. Now this is the title of the content layout. And also, you can click the layout. Okay, let's choose title and content. Okay, so it won't have the title content right away. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna choose title content right away. So this is the one. And we're gonna save this project. So click File, click Save As, and then choose the location you're supposed to save. Now we're gonna save on my, I can browse. I'm gonna save on my desktop, Spring 2022 folder, CSP 101. I'm gonna name as SC underline PPT underline 3 underline sleep. And click enter. Now you have this. Now you have this one. Now next one is we're gonna click the border of title text, so that it appears to the solid. So click the border, so it look like this, and it asks you to click delete button. So go on the table, look at your keyboard, the delete button. You click delete. Now it's gone. Next one is we're going to click the insert chart button. So it wants you to insert chart. Okay, so we're gonna click insert chart button. As you can see here, they have a different chart. So this is the chart button, insert chart button. Now we're gonna click pie, choose pie, point to the 3D pie, point to the 3D pie. So this is what it looks like. So we choose 3D pie, then we click OK. So we have this, it shows you with the Excel table. So now you're gonna modify the table. So click B1, which is this one, instead of sales. We're gonna type 5 sleep stages. Now we're gonna choose A2, which have stage 1. Then we choose stage 2. Then we go to stage 3. Then we go to stage 4. Then we have this one as REM. REM. Type all uppercase letters, REM. Now, after we have the data, now we're gonna modify. After we have names, we're gonna modify numbers. As you can see, when we modify the number, the names here, right? See here in the chart area, the value change. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Now we're gonna go to the B2. We're gonna modify data. So instead of all this default value, we have 5 right here. The next one, stage 2, will be B3, will be 50. Stage 3 will be B4, which is 5. B5 is 15. And the last one is 25. Okay, so after you type the numbers, now you're gonna have the chart look like this. So after we put that data like this, okay, so we can close it. So this is our 5 sleep stage. Okay, this PowerPoint is about the sleep, how to make your sleep better. Okay. So we have this, close the worksheet to close the, so then we're gonna have to resize the chart. So with the chart placeholder selected, so you can see here. So this is we selected. Click the chart tool. So we have chart design. To display chart to format ribbon, which is right here, format. You want to see format ribbon, this is format ribbon. Now we're gonna choose the shape height. Right now, so right now I have 4.13 in my chart. So I'm gonna make it a 6.5. Oh, so huge. And we have, next one is 10.5. Because you change the number right here, of course it's too big. So I'm gonna move up a little bit. So you can align it. Also, you can see here, with the chart selected and the chart to formula format tab display, click the align, as you can see here. Align, display the align object menu. Then we are going to choose align center, make it in the center. Oh, move it, you see, move a little bit to the left. Yeah, align center. Then we click align again. And we move it in the middle. So align middle. Okay, right now it's already middle, so which is perfect. Now, after we align center, align middle, the next one is we're gonna change the chart style. So with the chart style selected, now we're gonna click the chart style button on the right side. Right here, chart style. As you can see here, this is a little pen on the right side, chart style. You click that. So you to pop up those choices, you need a style 5. So you can just go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. Okay, this is a 5. You select style 5. Okay, so you select style 5. Okay. Okay, so wait. This is style 5. Okay, style 5. Nothing really changed. Now, the way we will do is we're going to change the shape outline color. Click the center of the pie chart to select it and display the sizing handle around each slice. So click the center. Okay, so you can see. Then click the shape outline arrow. So you have the shape outline gallery. Right here, you can see that. So you are going to choose dark red, which is the first color in the standard row, which is dark red right here. Okay, dark red. So you can add the dark red border to each slice. Then we're gonna go to the outline again. So with this center still selected, you see when you select the center, you have the slice border. So you have to change the weight. So go to the weight, go to outline, go to weight. And we choose 2 and 1/4. So you make it bigger so you can see that. So make it 2 and 1/4. So we have this 2 and 1/4. So we have this. Now, what do? We finish page 12. So we move on to page 13. Now we're gonna change the title and the legend font and the font size. So click the title, which is 5 sleep stage. Display the home tab. So we're gonna go to the home tab. And then we increase font. So we're gonna increase font. So right now it's 21.3. We're gonna make it a 32. Okay, that's huge. So increase font. You just click this button. 24, 28, 32. Okay, so make it a 32. Then, besides you change to 32 in the title, you have to change the font. The font is not this. The font is Rockwell. So you can scroll down to find Rockwell, or just type ROC. Okay, as you can see, it automatically show you this. So sometimes you can just type the font name on the font place. So instead of scroll down, you know what? It's just alphabetic order. So if you have time, just scroll down, you'll find it. So we have the Rockwell font. Then we select the legend text selected. So we click here. Okay. So right now you can see here in the bottom, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, those of them right now is 12, size 12. So you want to make it 18. So you increase 1, 2, 3, 4. So make it a 16, 18, make the size 18. Then you're gonna have to change to Rockwell again. So go to the font, type Rockwell, make it Rockwell, and bold it. So it looks like this. Oh, so pretty, right? So this is the title of the font. So next one, we're gonna insert end table in the slides. So later on, so we're gonna have how many slides? We have 4 slides. Okay, one is the cover page. We haven't done that yet. Slide 1, slide 2 is content with table title and content. Slide 3 we did. This is slide 3 actually. So we're gonna add one more. The next one, which should be the slide 4. We have a table. So we are going to click new slides and choose title and content. So this time, still title and content. So this title and content. Now we're gonna click insert title a table. So here, this is insert table. So you click insert table. It'll pop a small menu, ask you how many and number of columns and the number of rows. You make it a 2 times 2. Sorry, 2 times 5. So 2 columns and 5 rows. So 2 tables, 5 rows. We click OK, and we have this table. Now we just have to type data inside. Let's type the first one. We type age. Then we type 0 to 3 months. 3 to 5 years. Next one is 14 to 17 years. Next one is 18 to 64 years. Okay, give a minute to type the data. Then we're gonna type the right side, the right column. So you see, it's not difficult for the chapter 3. So next, we're gonna type this part. If you haven't finished, you can pause the video and check. So this one is a minimum hours. So this one will be 14. Next one 6. Next one is 10. Next one is 8. Next one is 7. You can use the arrow down button, so it will help you to jump from one place to another. So after you finish typing, then you can apply the table style. The whole idea of the PowerPoint is you can insert table, chart, and images inside. Okay, now after we finish, we're gonna apply the table style. As you can see here, right here, under the table design, we have this table style. And you click arrow down button, it pop up all the choices you have. So you're gonna choose medium style 1 accent 4. So medium style 1 accent 4. So this is one. This is the one you're supposed to choose. Okay, give me a minute, take a look. Okay, so we have the medium style 1 accent 4. So every style, they have their own style name. So that is one of it. Then we can add the borders to table. So click the edge of the table. Okay. So the insert point do not appear in any cell. Then we click the border right here. Click the border gallery. And we are going to choose, click all borders. So we have all borders, right? Click all borders. So under the border, you choose all border. So you can see you have the, look, so this one show up in between age and the minimum wage, right? Minimum hours, you have show up this. Then we make it all borders. The next thing is we click effect. Still the table still selected. We choose effect and we point to the shadow. Display the shadow gallery. And then we point to the perspective. Upper left in the perspective. Okay, upper left, which is this one. Now we have the shadow. See here, little shadow right here. If you want, we can insert the table row. So we're gonna add one extra row right here. Right now we finish this one. We can click last cell on the first one, place the insert point right here on behind the 18 to 64 year, and then we can click insert below under the layout, under the table layout. So you can see insert below. Okay, so we insert another row. So this one we're gonna type 65 plus, then the minimum hours 7. Okay, so you can see under the layout, you can insert below, insert above, insert left, insert right. So you can insert row under, or you can insert columns. Okay, so we have that. So we have this. Now we're gonna try to insert columns. Now we're gonna insert in the lower right cell, which is lower right, which is on my 7th. Okay, let's stay here. We click insert, layout, insert right. Okay, so you add the third column. So in the third column, you're gonna type maximum hours. Uppercase maximum hours. You have 17, 13, 10, 9, and 8. So those we have 3 columns. Those are 3 columns on this table, and this table data is ready. Okay, so we're gonna format. So we're gonna change the size. Okay. So insert the, wait a second. So we're gonna change the size. So with this table still selected, we're still selecting table. Then in the table layout, go to layout, as you can see here. In right here, we have the, so right now my height is 2.43 and the width is 9.75. So you're gonna modify, you're gonna modify for this one is 4. Sorry, 4. And this one is 6.5. Okay, so you can see it look like this. Then we have to align it, align in the center. So we go to the alignment under the table design, table tools, table alignments. So in the layout, align right here. So we're gonna choose align center. Okay, move. See here, the table move to the little bit center. Okay, that is perfect. Then we're gonna type the title. The title is sleep requirement. Requirement. Okay. Then you have to change the font to Rockwell. Okay. Okay, so we have this. Next, we're gonna insert a text box and format text. So we're gonna type a content under the table. So display the insert tab. So we're gonna go to the insert tab, and we have a text box right here. So we're gonna choose, click the text box. So we're gonna just use the word horizontal. Okay, we're gonna do it right here. And we just type source National Sleep Foundation. Okay, this is source. After that, after we type in the chat box, I mean in the text box, we're gonna go to the home section and then change it to the font, change the font to Rockwell, change the size to 20. Okay. Then it asks you to use a smart guide to align text box. So if you move around, if you see the red vertical line appears, that means that is in the center. So I'm gonna move around. Okay, okay, so we can move. So right here. So now it is perfect. Okay, so we have this one. And we deselect anywhere. So now it is page 4. Actually, you know, right now it's page 2, but it's page 4. The next one is we're gonna insert the other reuse slide from existing presentation. So it tells you if necessary, display the home tab, which is we're doing right now. Click new slides. Display the WISP. This is WISP layout, and click reuse slides. It was reuse slides. So click browse. Okay, so location file, we should choose the data file folder. So we click browse and we should choose the data file folder. Where's your data file is? So it's right here under my PowerPoint module 3 folder. PowerPoint 3 module. we have support PPT3 reuse. So you should find this file in your data file folder. So we click the new slides, click reuse, then we click browse on the reuse. Then we can go to our computer and find this file in our data file folder called support PPT3 reuse. Okay, so we choose this file. And click open. And it shows you. This looks like this. Okay, so we can click insert all. Okay, so it will insert all of it. Insert all both slides from reuse into this new slides 3 and 4. But you do know, I think I did not have the same. I have a. So what we can do is we can modify to the layout. Okay, so let's choose the layout later. So wait a second. So this is what we have. So insert all. So next part is use the slide sorter. So this is slide sorter. Oh, this is what we have. So I guess we're gonna have to apply. Okay. Did we keep the? Oh, that's why I choose this. So I'm gonna have to undo this. I'm gonna have to undo this. So you don't click this. Do not click use the source format. Just click insert all. Okay, so do not click use original format, source format. So we choose that. This is what I have. Okay, I'm gonna have to reorganize. So this is what we have. And if you click sort button, so you have this. Okay, so don't click this use the source format. So we have that. Now click slide 3 to select it, then drag it to the left of the current slide 1. Oh, okay. So we're gonna go to here. So you drag it right here, make it this as the slide 1. Okay. So it should look like this. Okay, just to make it in the first slide. Then click slide 4. Then drag it. Then drag it to the right of the slides, new slides 1. So this is a slide 4. We'll drag it to make it here. So this is our order, new order. Okay, so this is our new order. I will display slides 1. So click this. I click the picture selected. So we don't want this picture. So we're gonna delete this picture, and later on we can have our own picture. So delete this picture. Then with slides 1 still selected, we click insert. Now give you a minute to do so. So with the slide 1, we delete the image. Now we have the slide 1. But with the slide 1 display, click insert button. And we use a picture from this device. And now you can see here, it shows you support PPT3 bad. So that is the one you're supposed to use. I'll click insert. And this is the image, too small, right? So we can resize it, go to the height, and under the picture format, we make the height as 7. And we make this one as 11.23. So we have this as an image, 11.23. It's a huge one. Okay. To give you display ideas, you don't need that. With the picture still selected and the picture 2 format, we're gonna crop it, put some of it. Okay, click crop. So we choose just crop. Now we have this. Position the pointer over center cropping handle on the top of this. Drag the top center cropping handle on the top of picture inward, so the top edge of the is above the picture, the header. So we're gonna drag. Okay, we crop it. Now drag the center towards the left hand. So this one. So we have this. So not this one. Okay, look at this black small part. You put it towards to the left, so it's look like this. That is crop button. Then we'll click crop again. Now this is what they have so far. So when you crop it, you see you have this the little black bar here. That is place you can move to this. Okay, so that is the crop. Next one is adjust the picture color. What we do is we're gonna stay in the picture format. Right here you can see color. Now you're gonna choose color tone, a temperature for 70K, which is this one. In this first picture in the color tone. Okay, so it looks like this. Then we add our artistic effect. So go to the artistic effect. So you're gonna choose crisscross etching. So which is this one. So you see every artistic effect, they do have their name. Like this one, glass. This is mosaic purple, and this is film grain, and this is the one we're supposed to have. So the name of this one is crisscross etching. Now we choose this one. The next part is to change the corrections. So go to the corrections, and we're gonna choose under the sharp and soften. The first one, soften 50%. Okay, so it looks like this. Then we apply the picture style. So with the picture one still selected, we're gonna click more button, which is right here, and then you are going to choose this one, the first one in the fourth row, which is the bevel perspective. Okay, that is the one you're supposed to choose, bevel perspective. Okay, so you have something like that. Then you have to size the picture. The picture selected. Now we're gonna choose our height and width to 5.5 and 7.4. So height you have to change 5.5 and 7.4 right here. So that is one. And to move your picture, you want to use smart art. So you just move it around so until the red vertical line and the red horizontal line appears, which means you to move it. Okay, so I have horizontally. Good. I just have to move around the picture. Okay. So now when you stop here, see here, this red vertical and horizontal dash line comes. That means that is in the center. You can release. The next part is we're gonna still go to the align, and we choose align top, move up. Align top, move up. Okay. Because you are going to add the title. text effect. This displays the insert tab. So we're gonna type the title, and then we choose the word art. Okay, wait a second. Word art. So you choose this one. It's called granite fill, olive green, accent colorful, outline, olive green, accent 4. So this is what we're supposed to choose. Okay, this I will just type sleep well tonight. Now after that, you're gonna have to apply the word art effect. So as you can see, shape style, shape format, this is shape. Okay, don't have to. Oh, there's shape. So just go to text effect. And you're gonna choose transform. And you're gonna choose the wave down. Choose the wave down. Let me see. Next one is we're gonna, after we choose the wave down, we're gonna change the size from 1.01 to 1.5. 1.5. And this one is 10. As you can see, it does see a little bit of curve, right? So you can drag it down, make it okay. So this one, you have this red on the line, red vertical line and horizontal line. Then we move around to see, do I have a horizontal line appears? Okay, vertical. Okay, so it doesn't move. Okay, finally. So if you move around, you see that when the vertical line and the red line appears, so that is the right. So that is what you're supposed to have. Okay, the next one is we're gonna do the 3D rotations. It's still in the word art. We go to the text effect. I'll go to 3D rotation. Now we're gonna choose perspective, above. This one is perspective above. Now choose this one to apply the rotation. Okay, we apply this rotation. The next one is we're gonna change the word art text fill color. So go to the text fill. And then we're gonna choose olive green, accent 5. Right here. So you have this text fill color, olive green, accent 5. Then you're gonna go to the text outline, and we're gonna choose dark red, which is the first one. Okay, so we have this. So after we add the outline to the sleep well tight, so we need to go back to the control your explode to the light, which is this one. Okay, so we are gonna convert text to the word art. So display the size to select title text, which is control your explode to the light. And if necessary, display the drawing tool format button and click the word art style. the format, shape format. And we're going to choose. We're going to choose which one. Fill dark red, accent 1. So we're going to choose this one. Shadow. So this one we're supposed to choose. So after we highlight the title, we're going to choose this one. So it to look like this. The next part is we're going to resize the word art. So with the word art object still selected, press and hold Shift and then drag, hold Shift, and you drag it the middle size to the right. So as we can see, you want to control your Explorer to the right. So the Shift key. So we have something like this. We release. So this is what we should have. The next part is to animate the object using the entrance effect. So with this, the word art on slide 2 still selected. Click animation and ribbon to display the animation, which is right here. Click float. Do we have float right here? Float in, which is right here. Click float in to display a live preview. Float in. And so we have float in. So as you can see, you have number 1, the first animation here. Then we can click the effect option. So right now it's float up or float down. So you can choose the float down. So like this. Then we can go to the start, change the start right here. So instead of unclick default, you choose with previous. Okay. Then we can preview the animation sequence. So we can click the preview button. So we have this. We can change the duration up several times to increase time. We're going to change the duration time from 1.0 to 2.0. Okay, the duration 2.0. Then we click preview again. Slow it down. Now we're going to go to page 50. Next one is we're going to select the bullet text, which is right here. Now you change the fade entrance. We can preview that. We have fade entrance. Then we change duration time to 2 seconds. Okay. Then we preview. Preview button here. Then we go to the effect option. Then we choose all at once. We can choose by paragraph or we choose all at once. Display all at once. Like this. Okay. So after that, we're gonna add a video. So we're gonna click insert a video. Okay, so right here, this is the insert video. Click the insert video so that you have image right here. Support underline PPT3. Oh, this is one. No, it's not. It's extending knowledge. I think that's a different one. Choose module. So this is one awake. So you choose awake one. Make sure you choose the right one. Support underline PowerPoint underline 3 underline A. Choose this one. Insert. So you have this. You have this. Now we're gonna resize the video. So with the video tools still selected, click video height up. So right now, as you can see here, size is 2.65, 4.72. So I'm gonna change to 3.3. So it automatically become 5.87. So I'm gonna move up a little bit. So we have that. Okay, so we can move around, move up a little bit when the, okay, so you can see here when this dash line comes, so that is right, release. So this is the right place. So according to page 54, that is how you do that. Move up until this horizontal dashed line appears. Then we're going to change the video context. With the video selected, video format selected, we click corrections, and we'll choose the brightness plus 40%. Yeah, brightness 40%, contrast 40%. Okay, then we're gonna play the video automatically. So we're gonna display video, start, go to playback and start automatically. So under the playback, you can change it automatically, start the video. Oh yes, that video. Then click play button to preview it. So you play that. So you can see the video display, the video play, sleeping. Now we stop it here. Now we're gonna add transitions. So we're gonna go to our transitions here. Now we're gonna add Ripple transition. So with the Ripple transition, click more button somewhere here in the exciting gallery Ripple. Okay, so we can apply to all 4 slides, apply to for all. And then you can also go to duration time from 1.4 to 3. Okay, apply to all, so it becomes 3. Then you can you're done. So you can display from beginning. So slideshow from beginning. So you will see. Now this is what you have. Well, you can see here. It's so slowly because it takes 3 seconds to go down. You know, click your mouse, go down next. Ripple effect to the next one. And the next one, go down. Okay, so that is all. That is chapter 3. So please spend some time to finish your projects on chapter 3. That is all. So it's very easy. I will see you next time in the future.